If you want to change the body shape in your videos, this video is all you need. First, unlock the layer, then go to Object Selection tool, select the object, press Ctrl+J to have a copy of the selection. Make invisible the selection layer. Go to Main Layer, select the object, select Modify your selection, and expand the selection to 15 pixels. Then right-click on the object, delete the selection. Make visible your selection layer. Then go to Edit, Puppet Wrap. Pin all the joints. And that's it for the video. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. That really means a lot. Thank you for watching.